Good day, Notre Dameans. I will be presenting to you the school clinic services and guidelines on how to avail our services. The school clinic will still continue to provide quality care in times of COVID-19. Since that the student cannot go to the school for their face-to-face learning, therefore, our clinic will provide some guidelines on how to avail the following services. Here are the school clinic consultation guidelines. For our medical and dental consultation, first, you must text or call the school nurses for initial interview. The school nurse will determine if there is a need for referral to the school physician or dentist. For referral, the school nurse will set an appointment schedule to the physician or dentist. You will be informed of the appointment schedule. A referral slip will be sent to you through personal message or call. The students will be advised to go to the doctor's clinic or dentist for further treatment and management of the condition of their condition on the set schedule. The students must present his or her referral slip and school ID to the physician and dentist. No appointment, no referral slip, no school ID means you will not be entertained. The students will enjoy the free consultation if he or she is enrolled in this academic year. Always observe our healthcare protocols set by the IATF when going to the clinic, such as proper wearing of face mask, face shield, and proper hand washing. School clinic services. How to avail. First, you need to call or text the school nurse for our initial interview. The school nurse will determine if the student is advised to come to the school clinic to avail the following services. 1. By giving the over-the-counter medicine, minor wound dressing, vital signs taking, releasing of social welfare fund forms, issuance of medical certificate. Students will not be entertained if there is no prior appointment to the school nurse. The school nurse will entertain students during weekdays only. Only one chaperone is allowed to accompany the students. The school clinic is available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and in the afternoon from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Only students who are officially enrolled this academic year will be accommodated. Again, always observe our minimum healthcare protocols set by the IATF, such as proper wearing of face mask, face shield, proper hand washing. How to contact our school nurses. For the college nurse, please contact Ma'am Edwina A. Baclig through the contact number of 0946-170-2398. And for the IVED school nurse, please contact me, JF Rati Magbanwa RN. My contact number is 0910886279. Stay safe and have a nice day.